Festival migrantskega filma. Festival migrantskega filma prihaja na peron številka 6.
On the fourth day of the Migrant Film Festival, young filmmakers got opportunity to show their work made during the project Voyages through Forgotten Place.
It's a collaboration of 3 countries, Slovenia, Serbia and Croatia. Basically, this is 6 short films with the theme of migration for the film festival. My name is Romana Zajec and I'm a trainer.
The idea is more or less to bring together young filmmakers and video activists from all 2 countries and to get them one general common topic, which is migrations, and then let them find topics that they are interested in their own environment, in their own countries.
Uroš Krasnik.
I am the project coordinator.
I'm Anna Fratnik. My story is about actually my friend that went to Vietnam to help in some center for homeless youngsters.
I'm Anica Stojanovic. I'm from Novi Sad, from the youth organization CK13. I'm one of the project coordinators and also producer of 2 Serbian films. Through films, we learn more about ourselves than about topics we chose, so it was really a good experience.
When I was young, I had to watch a lot of the war movies, and I always asked myself, what is the reason that somebody wants to make another war film? And with my experience, I made 3 documentaries about the war, because I couldn't escape from that. And actually at that point I realized that there were no films about the war, but about the people. And how can you stay human in such a difficult circumstances as the war? And you can use the same logic for the films about immigration and about immigrants, because there are the human stories. And as one of the young filmmakers said, my point of the making film was actually to show that there are the people are not just the numbers.
Commented Sergei Kreso, who as an experienced director led the discussion with filmmakers.